Okay, so we are now doing the sphenoid and the ethmoid bone. Your first one is the sphenoid, this guy right here. So we're going to be going over the disarticulated and the articulated, because you need to be able to point these structures out in either form. So the first one is the sella turcica, and that is this region right here. It means Turkish saddle, and it's where the pituitary gland sits. And then on here, it's right here. Then you have the greater wings, so that's going to be these guys right here, so where between my fingers, and then on here it's this giant thing right here, and it also pops out on the other side. You can see right here. Your next term is the lesser wings, and they're right here, and then on the disarticulated one right here. Next is the optic canal, and so the easiest way to do it is find the orbit and then and then stick through it so you can see that way, and then it pops out like this, and you'll see it go at an angle because your optic nerves actually cross and go contralateral into your brain. On here, it is right there. Then you have your foraminal valley, so it literally means oval hole, and so it's right here and right here. Then the pterygoid processes. Dr. Shelley loves this one, and you know what that means. So I would definitely know that. It's these right here. This right here. On the articulated skull, you can see them right here. Pterygoid processes. Then you have this sphenoid sinus, and you can kind of see it in here, like the cavities inside here. I guess the easiest way to say it is between my fingers, the hollow cavities inside there is the sphenoid sinus. Then you have the ethmoid, this guy right here. And here we go. Your first term is cristagalli, and that's this little sticky up part. So if you look from the side, right here. Then you have it inside right here. Then the perpendicular plate you can see come down through the nose. So let me see if I can get a good angle here. Kind of hard with one hand. Oh no. Balance. Focus. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna have to do it this way. Right here. See that right there? And then on the bone, it's kind of messed up because here's a cristagalli, I'm flipping it over. It is this right here. It's all squished together because this is a plastic cast, so it's not done very well. The next one is the cribriform plate and the olfactory foramina. So the cribriform plate is this region all right here, and then in the articulated, this right here. The olfactory foramina are the little holes in the cribriform plate. Because these are both plastic, they didn't do a very good job of putting the holes in there. So what they did is they put just a bunch of little brown dots, and you're supposed to just know that they're talking about the olfactory foramina. The way you think about this is the cribriform plate is like the bowl, you know, the spaghetti strainer. It's the bowl, and the holes in the spaghetti strainer are the olfactory foramina. So she'll probably give you a hint as to which one she's talking about on the exam. The next one is the middle nasal concha. And you can see that right here. They're the little curly cues on either side of the perpendicular plate. All right. And then on here, again, I flip it over. Oop, come on. I flip it over. There's the perpendicular plate right here. These on the either side is the middle nasal concha. All right, so that's it for the sphenoid and the ethmoid. Alrighty.